Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a voiceover on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. And then tap on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. And then what you need to do is go and start recording just like this. I am now going to finish recording, and if you would like, you can do more recording. Once you are happy with what you have recorded and you want to add voiceover to it, simply tap on this tool on the right side. Here you will see a lot of options. What you need to do is simply tap on sound right here. And then tap on voiceover from here. From here you can do a voiceover on your videos. And then what you need to do is go and hold the record button here, and you can go and start speaking in this case. Once you are happy with it, go and tap on done at the bottom. And then tap on save. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.